Greetings, I'm Caesar Mitchell, your Atlanta City Council President, here with some tips that may help you reduce your energy bill this winter. Inspect the windows, doors, and baseboards of your home to ensure that there are no leaks where warm air can escape. If leaks are found, caulking and/or weather stripping to seal air leaks can offer an almost immediate return on your investment. Additionally, energy experts suggest that you set your home's thermostat to 68 degrees while you're at home and lower the thermostat while you are asleep or away from home. A digital thermostat can help regulate on and off times of your heating system. Other steps to energy efficiency include wrapping pipes, replacing dirty air filters, and closing the fireplace damper unless a fire is burning. This will help avoid cold air entering your home through the chimney. For additional tips on conserving energy or to identify a company with energy efficiency programs, please visit my website at caesarmitchell.com. Thank you.